On today's flight, enjoy the latest Hollywood blockbusters, the finest world cinema, or choose from a great selection of television, games, and music. Green Book tells of two men from very different worlds finding common ground while driving around the Deep South. Beautifully produced and impressively acted, not to be missed.
What do we do about the bones?
We do this.
A Star is Born combines the considerable talents of Bradley Cooper and Lady Gaga in a soulful and heartfelt tale of a seasoned musician who discovers and falls in love with a struggling artist.
Can I tell you a secret?
I think you might be a songwriter.
The true story of Forrest Tucker is told with charm and grace in The Old Man and the Gun. Robert Redford plays the elderly career criminal with stately charisma in his last feature film performance.
You're not serious.
The Favourite is the tragicomic tale of a battle unravelling in the court of declining Queen Anne as she fights between her loyal council and a down-on-her-luck new arrival.
How good to see you've returned from hell.
I'm sure you shall pass through it one day.
The latest nature series, narrated by David Attenborough, Dynasties, was 4 years in the making. Each episode is devoted to one of the 5 most celebrated endangered species on Earth.
Charm is taking her cubs to meet the rest of the Marsh Pride for the first time.
Fresh Off the Boat is a sitcom about the lives of immigrants in the USA. When a Taiwanese-American family relocates from Washington, D.C. to Orlando, they must learn to adapt to their new surroundings.
Oh my God! I'm gonna be our Wheel of Fortune!
Luther is back. London's maverick, emotionally tormented detective must psychologically outmaneuver the killer in a race against time. Suspenseful drama stacked with plot twists and turns.
This isn't random, is it? Which means there's going to be more.
Pick Up the Litter is an upbeat documentary following 5 puppies from birth along their journey as they train to become guide dogs for the blind.
She's gotten really confident. We took her through the airport and onto the airplane today, and she just was rock solid.
Check out our full range of classics, more of your favorites, and let Swiss entertain you.